Hello everybody, this is Karen. Today I'm gonna show you my azalea bonsais. This one right here, I did this about 4 months ago. So this is also an update. However, springtime, we didn't get a lot of rain and I didn't have a chance to water them very often. I have a video also making this bonsai. However, one of the plants died because I didn't water them very often like I should. So this is it. So I'm just gonna show you the close-up look of this azalea bonsai. So if you can see, I planted them in bonsai mixed. So it is very well drained media. That means I just have to water them very often. Spring, summer and fall, they are outside in my patio, and then winter time they will be inside my house in a bright window. I put a humidity tray with pebbles on it to kind of help them moist. Like I said, I use a well-drained media. That means I just have to water very often. Azalea likes a wet, moist media. However, they don't like waterlogged also. You can see I put a live moss in there. So I also feed them during summertime. Spring, summer, I feed them. So I use a slow release fertilizer for them because I don't want to burn them. So slow release fertilizer is very good. Now my next azalea bonsai is this one. So this is about 2 years old now. I haven't repotted them yet. And there's also moss in there. So the moss, the live moss that I put there, that will help maintain moisture on my azalea when I don't have time to water them outside. So they bloom actually last winter, so I'm hoping this winter they're gonna bloom for me again. And my next azalea bonsai is this one. So this is also about 2 years old, and this one also bloomed for me last winter. And I just actually trimmed this, but I'm not a professional in bonsai, so I just trim them the way I want it. And this azalea, I bought them from my grocery store. I believe they were like $7.99, and then just made it to my DIY azalea bonsai, because I know bonsai can be expensive, so it's better to make your own. And I know bonsai takes a lot of patience, a lot of work, and a lot of years put into it. So there they are, and they are going inside a house in the winter time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.